Children with dark skin and bright blue eyes have shocked millions of people around the world. These images spread quickly on social media, and many viewers immediately ask the same questions: is this real? Is it Photoshop? Is it artificial intelligence? Or is it something science cannot explain? The truth is that these children are real, and their appearance has a clear scientific explanation. First, it is important to say this clearly. These images are not fake, not AI generated, and not digitally edited in most cases. Children with dark skin and naturally blue eyes do exist. They have been documented in different parts of the world, especially in Africa, but also in other regions. This video is not about revealing identities or locations. It is about explaining a rare and fascinating human phenomenon. To understand how this is possible, we need to talk about genetics and melanin. Melanin is a natural pigment found in the human body. It is responsible for the color of our skin, hair, and eyes. The amount and distribution of melanin determine whether someone has light or dark features. People with darker skin have higher levels of melanin in their skin. People with blue eyes have very low levels of melanin in the iris, the colored part of the eye. In most cases, dark skin is associated with dark eyes because both are influenced by melanin. However, genetics does not always follow simple rules. In rare cases, melanin can be reduced or distributed differently only in the eyes, while the skin remains dark. This is why a person can have dark skin and blue eyes at the same time. There are several known scientific explanations for this. One of them is partial albinism. Unlike complete albinism, partial albinism does not affect the entire body. It can affect only certain features, such as the eyes. Another explanation is rare genetic mutations that influence eye color without changing skin pigmentation. A condition called heterochromia can also affect eye color, sometimes causing one or both eyes to appear blue or unusually light. It is very important to understand this: having blue eyes with dark skin does not automatically mean a medical problem. Many people with this appearance are completely healthy. They are not cursed, abnormal, or unnatural. They are simply the result of rare genetic combinations. One of the most common questions people ask is whether these children can see normally. In many cases, the answer is yes. Most children with dark skin and blue eyes have normal vision. Some may experience sensitivity to bright light, and in certain rare cases there may be mild vision issues. However, blue eyes alone do not mean blindness or serious eye disease. Many people around the world with blue eyes live perfectly normal lives. Unfortunately, social media has created many myths around these children. Some posts claim they are not human. Others suggest supernatural explanations, curses, or mysterious origins. These claims are false and harmful. They are based on fear and misinformation, not science. The reality is much simpler and more powerful. These children are human beings, just like everyone else. Their appearance is rare, but rarity does not mean impossibility. Nature produces an incredible variety of human features, and genetics can sometimes create combinations that surprise us. Another question people often ask is why this phenomenon is so rare. The answer lies in probability. The genetic traits required to produce dark skin and blue eyes together are uncommon. They require specific gene combinations that do not happen often. This is why most people will never see someone with this appearance in real life, even though such individuals do exist. Another question people often ask is why this phenomenon is so rare. The answer lies in probability. The genetic traits required to produce dark skin and blue eyes together are uncommon. They require specific gene combinations that do not happen often. This is why most people will never see someone with this appearance in real life, even though such individuals do exist. Human diversity is one of the most fascinating aspects of our species. Differences in appearance are a natural part of humanity. Throughout history, people have often feared what they did not understand. But science allows us to replace fear with knowledge. Human diversity is one of the most fascinating aspects of our species. Differences in appearance are a natural part of knowledge. Understanding this helps us see the world more clearly. It reminds us that nature does not follow rigid rules, and that beauty and diversity exist in many unexpected forms. If you found this explanation interesting and learned something new, take a moment to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe for more content where science explains the most surprising things about our world.